By 12 o'clock during the day, nisebenzise lesikhathi sokuthandaza. Ngesikhathi lesi sika 12 isikhathi sokubreaka all the curses. Lelo thuba elincane olitholayo zinikele ekuthandazeni, no matter it's 2 minutes. Zinikele emthandazweni to break all the curses. Umoya kaNkulunkulu ongcwele usuke wehlile. By 3 o'clock ntambama, I want you to spend another time yokuthandaza again. By 3 o'clock isuke sine prayer item eyodwa, kuseyisikhathi se reconnection. Isikhathi se reconnection. By 6 o'clock ntambama, you just thank God for the day. 6 o'clock ntambama, you say, Lord, thank you. Ukhulekela uyabonga. 6 o'clock uthi, Lord, thank you. While you are driving, seteksini ubuyele ekhaya, uthi Nkosi, thank you. Thank you. Buya emsebenzini, you are tired. Sewusekhaya lakho, uthi nje, Lord, thank you. 6 o'clock, Lord, thank you. Thank you. Ukuthi wenzani, inhliziyo yakho ithi Nkosi, ngiyabonga. Kubalekile ukuthi ubonge uNkulunkulu, uthi Nkosi, thank you. Ngiyathanda ukuemphasize again lesikhathi sa 12 midnight. 12 midnight isikhathi sama prayers ethu ukuba abe answered. By 12 midnight sisuke silwa, sithandaza, sikhulekela noma ngabe luphi uhlobo lwemimoya oluvimba our blessings. Because every Sunday, everyone will be blessed. But yini le yenza kuba imthandazo yethu sibona ngathi ayikho answered? Unengelosi zobomnyama, uSathane umelana nayo yonke into ekumele iyehlele kumuntu bese yamsiza. By 12 o'clock sisempini bazalwane, you wake up and pray. Uthandazela into eyodwa, siyahlasela ngo-12, siyahlasela, sitetela impi, siyalwa, siyanqoba futhi. By 12 o'clock sithi Nkosi senzele nanku umusa.